In this video, I will going to show you how to navigate in the Somnis Rumble Rush game. I will make a brief explanation of each topic or part of the game unit interface. So what are you waiting for? Let's do this. This is what the dashboard or the main lobby looks like. I will walk you through the game for you to have an idea what it looks like in the interface. Here are the currencies used inside the game: gold, gems, and the Nova. Each of it has different use as described. You can use it purchase items in the shop or for crafting in the village. The account profile shows your account level and the base tower health. It has a significant advantage if your account level is high. The higher the level, the more health point is your base. This is where you store the items you collected from playing, rewards from shop, or from crafting. We have the card exclusive equipment by card type, and miscellaneous items. Let's take a look at equipment by card type. There are three types: the unit, building, and spell type. Same with the card exclusive equipment. I have, for example, the lowest unit equipment. This can be equipped by the unit type of cards. I don't have the other type, but currently I focused on the unit equipment. Now we move to miscellaneous items. At this stage, the most common items are fragments, which is used to level up your cards. There are also fragments that can be obtained from the game, which are unique for each cards. Basically, event page contains the list of event from the shop and the attendance event. These are the daily and weekly missions. You can obtain rewards upon completion of each missions from playing the game, crafting items, or any game accomplishments. And this is the Battle Pass, which will be available upon official release of the game. In Battle Records, you can revisit and play your previous matches here. These are the list of the best matches from each league. You can learn from other players' gameplay too. We haven't tried this yet, but if you're a complete beginner to this type of game, it can help. This shows the ranking in the game. You can check your current position in the leaderboard here. As for me, I am currently sitting in rank number 122. Here are the default settings of the game. Since my device run very well with the game, I will fix it to 60 FPS for better gaming experience. There's also an option to change the language here, and even changing your username. Then we have here the shop. Let's take a look at the common tab. It contains common items we use in the game, like event items, packages, daily items, free items. We move on to the Nova shop. Here you can buy items using your Nova tokens, which can be obtained as reward when you win a game. Then the currency, where you can exchange gems into gold. It shows the current deck you use in the game. It contains the list of cards you select or choose. Hovering down to second list is the unit cards. These are the list of unit cards to choose from. Then the building cards. These are the cards that you built during the battle. Some of it are used for defense and some summons characters continuously. Spell cards can be added in your deck, so you can cast a powerful strike at the enemy. Card synthesis. It is where you fuse two different cards of the same rarity. You have to pay in gold and in Nova token. The outcome is random if you don't have priority appearance card. This is your village inside the game. You level up your castle to unlock other buildings and its functions. Inside this village you can build buildings which has unique functions. Each building has different capabilities like machine. Some of it farms crafting materials. You can also farm gold here using the air station just like what I do. Now I am going to show you how to level up my castle. You just need to gather materials required for you to proceed. Here are the blueprints of items and list of materials you might use depending on your needs. When you got the blueprints, you have to bring it to the blacksmith to start crafting. Next is crew. Crew, in other terms, the guild or clan. You can group up with other players. Aside from ranking, it also helpful because you can share with the team and get ideas there. You may also ask for fragment support, play together and more. Share reward record, share deck and battle information. Player versus environment, or PvE, is where you battle up against the computer. This is where you can also train and be familiarized with cards when you're starting. You can also get gold and rewards every time you win in the battle. Currently, there are only 3 chapters to complete. Player versus player, or PvP, is where you battle up against other player. Somnis ranking will base on the points you gather from winning in each matches. That's all for this video. See the links in the description to get more information about the game. Good luck.